Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use text formatting in Google Chat. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your browser and navigate to chat.google.com. You'll need to log in using your Google account credentials to access the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard with all your conversations displayed on the left side of the screen. On the left panel, you'll notice all your spaces and direct messages listed. These are your active conversations where you can communicate with colleagues, friends, or team members. For this tutorial, we're going to work with a direct message, so go ahead and click on any of your existing direct message conversations. This will open up the chat window where you can start formatting your messages. Now direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see the text input field. This is where you normally type your messages before sending them. Go ahead and type in a message or some sample text that you want to format. This could be anything from a simple greeting to a more detailed message. Once you've entered your text, look to the right side of the text field. You'll notice a capital A icon with an underline below it. This is your gateway to all the formatting options available in Google Chat. Click on this icon to reveal the formatting toolbar, which gives you multiple ways to style your text and make your messages more visually appealing and easier to read. After clicking the formatting icon, the toolbar will appear with various options. To apply any formatting, you first need to highlight the specific text you want to format. Once your text is selected, you can click the B button to make it bold, which is perfect for emphasizing important points. Next to it, you'll find the I button for italics, which adds a subtle emphasis to your words. There's also a U button that allows you to underline your highlighted text, drawing extra attention to key information. But the formatting options don't stop there. You can click on the A icon with the underline to add color to your text, making certain words or phrases stand out even more. Right next to it, you'll see the strike through icon, which places a line through your text and is useful for showing edits or changes in your message. Beyond basic text styling, Google Chat also offers structural formatting options. You can add bullet points to create organized lists, insert quotes to highlight important statements, add links to direct people to relevant resources, and even include code snippets using the code or code block options. These features are especially helpful for technical discussions or when you need to share formatted information clearly. And that's it, you've now learned how to format text in Google Chat, making your messages more engaging and easier to understand. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.